Good day, good afternoon, good evening from wherever part of the world you're watching this video. Like guys, so many people don't still get this. This is the amount you have to pay to learn data analytics, to learn front end development. You have to pay $142.00. That's they remove 50% off. You have to pay this amount. Like, I'm teaching this stuff for free on YouTube and you're not subscribing. Like, what the hell? I'm giving you updates on free end development where you can learn these things for free and where you can actually get certificate for free, and you're not paying attention. Like you're wasting a whole lot of free resources. Yes, you want to learn how to code, you just go to free code camp on your browser. Open your browser, type free code camp, and that does it. Yes, you click. Yes, you click and you sign up. I'm already signed in right now. I'm signed in. This is my account. I've not I just signed in a new account. So this account, you can learn a lot. What is linked list, you can learn so many stuff that people pay dollars. Like, you can see it yourself, people pay a lot of money to learn all this stuff. You can learn it for free. Practice, you create projects. Like, you can join my team. I have a team I do project with. You can join my team. Come check Code with Gabriel on YouTube. Subscribe, Code with Gabriel. Yes, this is the channel. Just go to your browser or okay, this is it. Code with Gabriel, Code HTML1. This is the channel. Yes, you can join my community by subscribing, liking my videos, dropping comments, ask any questions at all. You can also message me through my email. My email is down in the description of this channel. This email, you can message through the email. Yes, view email. You can message through the email. Yes, you can message through the email. You can message through the email, and yes, akubogabriel90@gmail.com. You can message and we will have to chat. We will cooperate and do projects together. You have to learn for free. I'm not charging you anything. So do all to subscribe to this channel, on YouTube. And these are resources that are absolutely free. You don't have to pay any dime to access them. You go to W3 Schools now, tutorial, W3 Schools tutorial. You can learn any coding language at all, even the advanced one. If you say you want to do stuff about crypto, you want to learn how to make you want to learn about blockchain technology, all this stuff are possible. You can learn all this stuff by learning the basics. This one, the W3 School doesn't only give you the basics, it gives you also the advanced. Yes, C++. This is not a baby language. Like, it's not a baby language. They give you the introduction to function, to the classes, and how to like add so many functions. People pay thousands of dollars to learn this stuff, I'm telling you, but these people are teaching you for free. You just need discipline, your system, and to choose. You just need to choose one coding language and start with. React is there, Python is there, Python, JavaScript. Like, I knew when I started HTML. I wish I knew all these things. I could have saved a lot of money. Actually, I had to pay so many teachers, so many mentors to learn all this stuff, while they are free on W3 Schools. They are free on Free Code Camp. They are free on my channel. Like, they are free on Code with Gabriel's channel. So go and subscribe, like, click the notification button ASAP.